Hello friends, in this video we are going to discuss about the very powerful tool of the CV2 and along with the Python we are just trying to recognize the face and eyes of the user entered, or you can say seen by the web camera. So for that I import the CV2, import numpy as np, and then I have to make some downloads because we are going to use the hair cascade. So since I have already downloaded these features, so the face cascade is cv2 dot cascade classifier, and then you have to pass the xml file which I have done. Just I'll show you from where I have downloaded this is called the hair cascade. So now these are xml files, and these are already present inside my folder where the my code is there. So this is the hair cascade underscore frontal face, and so many features it offers: smile detection, face detection, eye detection, body detection. So I have downloaded only two, and then I'll be using these two features only. So this is called the hair cascade, HAAR. Now you see these two files, you can see in my project window, they are there. Yes, they are there. It's called the hair cascade IXML, and then the hair cascade, the frontal face underscore default dot xml. I have already downloaded these files and placed them into the place. Now here, this is the place from where you can download this is called the github dot and the open cv, and there the hair cascade files are there. So just you go onto the google, and then you see the face detection using hair cascade open cv. Codes are already present. It's a hair cascade github, and then you can just go on to this folder, this website, and there from the github all these files you see there: the hair cascade, the IXML hair cascade, the I tree, so many features there. So we will be using the frontal face default and then the I.xml. So you can locate them. I'm using in this application only these two applications. This is the hair cascade. If you click on it, then you will find that it will be opened up there. You can copy it, or you can just copy it from here as a raw file, and then you can place it in the folder. Since I have already done this, I'm just showing you where you can find these files. And then this is smile there. So different kind of files are there, but we are using only the frontal face detection and the eye detections. Yes, so these files you can download from there. Now let me get back to the code, and then yes, so I have already downloaded. You have to download these files and place it into the project folder where your applications are, like the main code is written. Then I just link them with the I cascade equals cvt cv2 dot cascade classifier, cascade classifier, and then you pass the name of those files. So here hair cascade underscore I dot xml. Since we will be using the features of the web camera, we need to capture uh, the frames from the video. So I create one object of cap, that is the cv2 dot video capture, and you can place the state as one, that is high, and then I will say as long as it is true, because the video, like, because the camera will be clicking the photographs and showing on the screen. So as long as it is active, so we have to collect the informations about the retina and the image. So with the help of the cap, we say the cap.read. So this will give you some informations and is stored into the red and img image. So the gray equal to cv2 dot cvt color, and then you pass image and cv2 dot default gray, that is the color. So the color underscore, yes, bgr to gray. So I have done this. This is the next one, that is the face is equal to face underscore cascade, the third line from the top where I have created a face cascade dot, then detect multi-scale, and yes, that is there just to it will scale, and this is the prominent features of the CV2. Just detect multi-scale, and then there you have to pass the gray, and that is the magnification, or you can say the size, which is 2 2. This is related to the location of the image, where what part it will try to focus it. Then we will go for x y w h in the face underscore. These are four values, these are tuples. So these tuples will give the boundary of the location where you want to try to find out the face and the eyes. So CV2 dot rectangle, and then you have to pass the img, and x, these tuples what we have just there, x y, and so you see CV2 dot rectangle, and then inside the rectangle I have the first one is image, second one is xy, then third is x plus width and the y plus height, so that it can track. And then you have to provide the color values for that, it is 25500. These are the RGB values, and this is okay. So now this part is done, and then that is 2. So 4 value img xy tuple, and then the x plus wyh 25500, and then the 2. Okay, so now this is fine. Then for eyes also we have to make it like the Roy gray, and that is the grayscale value for the uh, image, and that is from the y to y plus h. So this is you can say limiting values for the y to y plus h, and then from x to x plus w. And then again we have to find the color values 25500. So and then it's 2. So these are the functions, grayscale values this is taking, and then it's parenthesis. Yes. Oh, sorry. This should be all big box, because these are the list values. Okay. So it's from the y to y plus h, and then from x to x plus width. So every pixel will be taken into consideration. Then the raw color is img, because the images, all these are the arrays. So y to y plus h, and x is x plus w similarly. So Roy Gray, you can make it any other name, but since we they explain and they are using the same thing, Roy Gray and the Roy colors, so we are also using the same thing. So now I is equal to eyes underscore cascade. It should not be eyes, it should be I. So EYES not required, only EYI cascade. And then again detect multi-scale for eyes. What we have done, that was for the face, and now this is for eye. So detect multi-scale, and then again you have to pass the Roy gray, and we can use, in the previous one we just passed 2 to size, here it's not required. Now for ex and ey, like the just for I, and the ew and the eh, this is for the position, and then the width and size in eyes. Then again we have to write CV2. Will it work? Yes. So it has to be there, because that is CV2 is a very powerful tool, and that helps you to recognize the important features. So Okay, here go for CV2 dot rectangle, because we want the face and the eyes of the user to be to be bordered, you can say other way, say on the face and on the eye retina it will draw rectangles. This is what it means, that the CV2 dot rectangle raw color EXEY, and then the EX plus EW, and that is EY plus EH, and then I'll pass the color again 0 to 55 and 0 with the value 2. So these are by default only these. This is the size of the rectangle, just like the CV2 dot draw rectangle. Now, as long as the loop is true, means as long as the camera is clicking the photographs and sending the images on the frames, then these features will be active. Now we need CV2 dot show, that is called the image show, with those rectangles around the face and eyes. So I'll pass image, which is img, the object what I have already made, and then image. So k equal to CV2 dot, this is called wait, means to how long you have to wait. So I write 30, this is a delay time expressed in milliseconds, and this is a hexagonal, I can say hexadecimal values for the ending as long as it is on, so 0 cross FF. If k equal to 27, and then break. So this is the condition. So as long as k is not 27, this will keep on doing all this thing, and then we'll use CV2 dot release video features, because the CV2 object has to be released and the camera should be shut down. Now CV2 dot destroy all the windows where you are seeing those features. This is another separate pop-up window on which when I'll run, then you'll understand. Then now it's done, the coding part is done. It's so simple. Now you see I'm running it. So another new pop-up window will come up, and then on that window you will see the web camera features, and then the images will be displayed there with the face having some rectangle around the face, and then the eyes also will have the rectangular these features. Now here it is, see my face, and then on the face you have a blue rectangle, and on the eyes you see the rectangle. Thank you very much. Just subscribe to our channel. Have a very nice time. Thank you very much.